Guys, check out my Blockman Go account. These Gcubes you see, I got them for free. No hacks, no fake apps. Just one simple method I tried, and it actually worked. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it, step by step. I found a simple website with small tasks. I completed just one, an easy 1-minute survey, and that was enough to earn a Google Play card. I used it to recharge Gcubes in my account. No scams, no lies. Real proof. Click the link below the video to visit the site. Here's how the dashboard looks. The task I did is called Surview. Just answer a quick survey. No download needed. After I completed it, I got my points, requested a Google Play card, and used it to buy Gcubes right away. I forgot to tell you, first of all, register on the site. This is very easy. Just a username and email. So my friend, there are a lot of offers. Read what you need to do and complete the offer. Believe me, this method is easy and real. You don't have to give your game password or anything risky. The site is safe. You just collect points, then exchange them for real rewards. If you complete the task, comment done below. I'll pick 3 people and send them extra Gcubes from my own balance as a gift. And if you watch till the end, I'll give tips to make sure your offer counts successfully. Don't use VPN. Don't close the offer early. Answer honestly. Only do each offer once. If you collect points from completing offers, convert the points to a $5 Google Play gift to use to get 300 Gcubes. I will promote you. Try the method of collecting points. Then, after you get the card, use it. If you want advice or something, the link to my Discord is in the description.